This is type 3 problem from the exercise 8.1 from the chapter Introduction to the Trigonometry. So now they have given the sine A as 3 by 4 and you have to find out the value of cos A and tan A. So let's now get started with the solution. So the given condition is sine A is equal to 3 by 4. So let us choose the reference angle. So we have to choose the reference angle as A and don't make A as 90 degrees. So choose the reference angle as A and let us make B as 90 degree. So let us construct the triangle where B is 90 degree and A is the reference angle. For the reference angle A, BC becomes the opposite side and AB becomes the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse. So let us mark the opposite side. So BC is opposite side for the reference angle A and AB is the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse. For the given relationship, sine A is 3 by 4. So sine formula, we know the sine formula is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC is opposite side. So 3 is the opposite side and hypotenuse is 4. So AC becomes 4. So this is equal to BC by AC. Opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC because sine formula is opposite by hypotenuse. So now we'll take BC as 3K and AC as 4K because it's in ratio. We have to take as 3K and AC as 4K. So let BC be equal to, that is the opposite side be equal to 3K and AC be equal to 4K. Because opposite side will take as 3K and BC and AC is the hypotenuse which will take as 4K. Now let us find out the unknown side. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, which is equal to AB is, we don't know AB. So BC is 4K the whole square is equal to AB square plus BC square is 3K the whole square. So from here we can find out the AB. So AB square is equal to 4K the whole square minus 3K the whole square, which is equal to 16K minus 9K the whole square. So 25K square. So AB square value is 25K square. So AB value is square root of 25K square, which is equal to 5K. So now I got the value of AB, which is equal to 5K. Now they have asked us to find out the cos A value and tan A value. So cos A value is, formula for cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, which is equal to AB by AC. 5K divided by 4K is the cos value and K will get cancelled and will get 5 by 4. So cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. So that is 5K by 4K. So K and K will get cancelled and you'll get 5 by 4 as a cos A value. Now we have to find out tan A also. So tan formula is opposite by adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent. So opposite is BC and adjacent is AB, which is equal to 3K divided by 5K, which is equal to 3 by 5. So tan A value is opposite by adjacent. So that is equal to 3K divided by 5K. So K and K will get cancelled and we'll get the value of 3 and 3 by 5. So in this type of question, we have to first recognize the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite side you can take as 3K and hypotenuse you can take as 4K. And find out the unknown side, which is AB, which I got as 5K. When you know all the 3 sides, then you can find out any given ratio. Thank you.